So now coming back to you, you were talking about your business plan. So how did you go about it now in the practical manner? Who helped with you? Helped you with the business plan?
So yeah, that was all self-learning, just not the business plan, all the financial knowledge that we both have right now. It's all self-study and learning for like 11 months to an year. So business plan, 4 बार गलत बनाया, 5 बार गलत किया
How did you know
बनाया.
it was wrong?
We had like these two mentors, Azra Masood and Shadab Fariduddin. So they helped us with all of these things.
Yeah.
कि finances का क्या करना है, how do you make a business plan, how do you translate it into something practical. वो बार we used to have these meetings with these people over coffee, and they used to tell us कि no, that ये fix करो, ये fix करके आना, अब next milestone ये है कि you have to do this, you
Yeah,
have
we
to
would have
become
homework.
better.
Yeah. We would be having homework to do, and I think they sort of gave direction to our idea, and that I
Yeah.
think we have to give it to them, because initially it was just us with an idea roaming around here and there, but they gave us, a clear direction in terms of what would make you money, what would be making business sustainable, how would you add certain elements to your idea in order to help everybody else around you that you're trying to help.
Yeah.
So they sort of gave direction and sort of structure to the overall idea that we had. And with that, obviously, along with him there were a lot of other people. I would really want to thank the IBA community. IBA alumni community has helped us a lot, and I feel
Yeah.
like we from being from IBA, we need to sort of utilize that community initially, and that helped us a lot as well. Be it, you see the alumni network is everywhere, in the finances department, in the banks. So the connections that we would get through the IB alumni helped us a lot. That's one thing. And I would really want to tell, if anybody wants to start a business, they need to work from the internal communities first. जहाँ से भी आप हैं, you would have internal, the groups हैं, mommy groups हैं, all of there are a lot of groups that you are a part of. Use that community, because that's free to reach out to them, right? And it doesn't really charge you a lot or take a lot of your time in order to reach out to that community. So that's one. And I think,
And I believe Raida also was something
yeah, I was,
that we were so glad after meeting her for the first time. मुझे लग रहा था कि कुछ हो जाएगा. But
Yeah.
it was, you were so supportive उस वक्त भी, because we were meeting all these men in the banking
yes.
industry. और वहाँ से they were not very supportive about the idea. उनको लग रहा था women are dumb. ठीक
Yeah,
है?
that
And
same thing.
literally they said these things कि this is not going to change.
Yeah, we
So,
even,
but when we met you, it was all very different energy from
yeah,
you.
yeah. I would like to add on to this, because when we met you, the day before, like I think 2 days before meeting you, we met somebody who completely discouraged us. They were like, "Hey, this idea is a failure. You guys are going to waste money and time." And that person was from a banking sector. We were so disappointed after coming from there, because it is discouraging regardless. And the main reason that the person gave us was that nobody is from, both of you are not from the finance background. Nobody would be taking you seriously. And then we met you, and then you changed the whole idea for us, and we're like, yeah, there are positive things to focus on. There are women like this who would be a good role model for the kind of women we want to focus on. And this would sort of it gave us a way to think they exist. Women who are financially aware, women who are smart, beautiful, mashallah, they exist. And they are there to even support other women. You gave us your time, you gave us ideas. We were sitting there, I remember we sat there for a very long time, took a lot of your time. After the meeting, we were really confident in our idea as well. And we had so many ideas to move forward from there. So yeah.
So I think one thing very important is the mentorship.
Yes.
The support that you require, that your idea is going to work, encouragement, and help.
Yeah, setting up
criticizing your
Yes.
business plan,
Yeah.
looking at it again and again critically,
Yeah.
revisiting it, improving it before you actually put it into action.
Yeah.
So I think these are a few things which will apply globally.
Yes.
I mean, at the Entrepreneur platform, the digital platform that we have, and why we were here, at Entrepreneur, it is something about bringing all these resources together to help these women who are aspiring females, people like yourselves who've actually set out to set up a business, providing them encouragement, mentorship, and you could also use the entrepreneur platform with
Yeah.
coming into an MOU with you as well.
Absolutely.
So let's talk a little bit about the relationship between Herstash and Entrepreneur. How do you see it, and how do you see the two communities coming together for a
Yeah.
better, bigger vision?
Absolutely. I think Faiza's, vision is very much aligned with her stash. So we are catering all the women, and Faiza also wants to work with entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs, because I had multiple conversations with her. We both have like talked to her multiple times. सबसे बड़ी बात है कि she is doing like all of this not for profit, So what her stash wants to do is कि when we were becoming early entrepreneurs, तो we did not know कि registrations कैसे करनी है, फाइलर बनना है, बिजनेस का एनटीएन लेना है, बैंक अकाउंट कौन सा ऑप्ट करना है, what sort of partnership या फिर रजिस्ट्रेशन कंपनी की SECP के साथ कौन सी वाली करनी है. We did not know these things, ठीक है. So we spent a lot of time on these things. We wasted a lot of time. So now Faiza, the entrepreneur's founder, and us, what we want to do is we want to create a community of women where we would be actively helping these women with all of these things. ठीक है कि how do they go about these things, how we can save their time and energy so they can use the energy and time for something more productive. Abhi, you want to add something here?
Sure. So as I said previously, also one of the segments that we have at Herstash is women entrepreneurs, and there are multiple aspects that we would be covering, like Maham said, and finances for their businesses is a major task. And obviously, one thing that we want to do for that community is once we give them that community on our platform, they would meet the fellow women around. They will have an ecosystem of women entrepreneurs around. जो भी solutions हैं, जो भी problems हैं, they can discuss there. So with Entrepreneur, with Herstash, I think the vision aligns on this, that we, both of us, both of these entities want to sort of support female entrepreneurs on different levels, and finances being Herstash's main idea, and all the other things that Maham mentioned, like setting up their social media pages, setting up their like growing their businesses, setting up the taxes, the bank accounts, what loans to take to invest in your business, how do you go about that as a woman. So I feel like all of the support that would be needed would help the overall economy by helping all of these small businesses through women. I feel like we're doing a good one to the Pakistan's economy as well as we're going about it.
Yeah.
So
So do you
hopefully,
think there needs to be a manual, after hearing how you set it up? Do you think there needs to be a manual on how to do the paperwork for setting up your business?
So we already have that with us. We have
Okay.
made one for women entrepreneurs back in November 2024, because we delivered the entire training with one of the leading banks for women entrepreneurs, and we can always extend that if needed for to the entrepreneur community.
yes.
It's a
Yeah,
very
that's
extensive
something
document.
that I would suggest you should probably look at bringing that to Entrepreneur
Yes.
and offering that as a step one,
Yes.
the journey in Pakistan, how to set up your business for a
Mm.
woman from the perspective of paperwork. Register your
Yeah.
company. Where do you register your company? How do you get an NTN number for your business?
Mm.
How it is linked to your individual NTN.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think that would be very helpful, because
True.
that's the journey you've actually covered
Yes.
yourself
Yeah.
Yes.
while setting up your business.
Yeah. Yeah.
How do you see Herstash and Entrepreneur combine our strengths to amplify your message for women, and not just Pakistani women, but globally? You're also a digital platform.
Yes.
So your message is not just for Pakistani women,
Yeah.
it's a global message.
Yeah.
Bilkul.
So how do you see yourself
Since-
amplify this message?
I believe since entrepreneur is tapping Pakistan, as well as they are, functional in other regions, so they can help our message to be, prevail there, and we can help entrepreneurs' message into Pakistan. We can integrate both of the communities, and I think that's how we can go about it.
Interesting. And where do you see Herstash in the next 3 years?
Okay, interesting question.
this is something we hadn't discussed, but obviously I'm sure you have a vision of where to take it.
Okay. You can think about it. I'll try to answer
In
what
your
I think.
business plan, haven't you put down something?
Yes. So we have sort of projected things, tasks are aligned on it, just to, cover on the basics, what milestones we want to achieve in 3 years. I'll just talk about, first, we would want to become the first digital platform to host around millions of women in Pakistan to be on it.
Excellent. Okay.
First
Today
thing
you have
is-
400 to 500 women
Yeah.
in your community.
Yeah.
That community is going up to 1 million.
Yeah,
at
yeah,
least.
inshallah.
Okay.
And in 3 years, we also want to set up an all women focused podcast that has to be reaching at least 2 millions on the YouTube. That's what we also planning to do. We also want to come forward with numerous female centric products and services in
Yes.
collaborations with these banks and fintechs. And these could range from debit cards, these could range from loans or insurance policies centered around women. This could be, women investments, portfolio management, stuff along those lines. And this is all we're trying to pan out. But obviously there's a lot systematic numbering that goes in there, but these are the major milestones that I want to achieve.
I think, when women would think about, "Okay, I need help with my small business, I need help with my finances, I need help with my retirement planning," so they would think of Her Stash as a one-stop solutions, and they would reach out to us so that we can help them. Also, एक vision ये भी है कि we want to help Pakistan with the undocumented economy. So all the entrepreneurs, all the women जिनके bank accounts नहीं हैं, they are just functional essay, on receipts and papers. We want to work on the undocumented economy part as well with Her
Okay,
Stash.
okay.
Yes.
So you will actually bring them into a visible, transparent, documented segment.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So, they would start using bank accounts. They would know कि committee or gold में invest करने के अलावा they can go to stocks always. There is fractional
Mutual
property.
funds.
There are mutual
Mutual
funds. There are
funds,
ETFs. So we want them to explore these things as well, not just committing and gold or any sort of fixed asset. So that's the
Interesting.
vision.
What kind of message, if I ask both of you one by one, would you give to aspiring females who have this thought today in their minds on what they want to do, what kind of business they want to set up? They have an entrepreneurial spirit. What messages would you both give for them who are
Okay.
going to be watching our audiences, basically?
Okay, so I believe, I would say, if there's something in your brain, and you have been thinking about it, just start writing on a paper, writing on a Google sheet. That's how we started. We started throwing ideas on a Google sheet, and then we streamlined those for at least 3 months, and that's how it works out. So, just start it. The journey would be daunting, of course. It will take some time, but it does work out. At least in 90% cases, it does.
Great.
My message would obviously be majorly around building the strength within. I think it has to be, coming from that person, whoever wants to start a business. First, obviously, if you've made the decision, don't go back. Work on it. Find a way to solve it. There's always somebody working on something similar. Find synergies. You can't
Yeah.
do a solo show for long. You have to find partnerships. You have to find synergies. You have to find people who are working on the similar lines. And that is how you grow quickly. You would take that 1 year to do something, but if somebody is doing something along those lines, you make a partnership, you might do it in 2 months. And that's what we also are focusing on now.
Yes.
Second thing is obviously feedback is very important. Just ask around. Ask your siblings, your friends, your whatever business you have. Ask people around in the community, outside of the community as well. People in the market, outside of that market as well, just to know what the society is and how it's gonna do. Third thing is obviously research. Research is gonna help you a lot. So Google is your best friend here, and ChatGPT as well. So there are a lot of AI tools that now you can use to quickly get answers to your questions. So जो भी सवाल आता है, solve it at that time. Google कर लो, solve it there, because then it just goes away. Another message for me, I feel like, is for men of our society to step up. They're gonna help us solve the problem better, because I feel like if the men are strong enough to let their women be financially independent, then only can this journey that we're trying to achieve, the goal that we're trying to achieve, would be achieved quickly. And that's what I want to tell our men audiences as well, that to help your women out with this, because they are out there, they are struggling, they would be struggling, but if you give them that support, I'm standing with you, then maybe our goals would be achieved quicker.
Yes.
That's what I feel like.
Okay, excellent. So how does somebody reach out to you?
Okay, so yes, we do have a WhatsApp group. We do have our Instagram that's very much functional. We're trying to educate people in bits and pieces over there. We do have very much active LinkedIn account. Our website is there.
Herstash.co.
Yeah, so people can reach out.
We would
that.
be adding all of that in the description, right?
Yes.
So everything will be added to the description.
Okay, I think with that, I will conclude today's conversation. It was lovely talking to both of you, learning about what Pakistani women face, what kind of challenges they have.
Yeah.
Your journey, I'm sure a lot of our women and men as well would find inspiring. And we feel, and I hope that they actually learn from your journey and take that first step to start their own businesses as well. With that, I'll conclude. And Entrepreneur is here, our digital platform for all aspiring women who want worldwide, wherever you are based, whether it's the US, the UK, GCC, Pakistan, wherever you are, please look at entrepreneur.com and check out the resources, look at the inspiring stories on our YouTube channel, on the Instagram page, and follow us and see how you can benefit from this community of women, of business women, of organizations, and of other entities who work and collaborate with us, similar to Herstash. So thank you, everyone. Stay tuned for a lot of interesting material, resources, inspiring stories that we bring to you over the year 2025. Thank you.